Once again, we're back. This is the LePera Kickflip for my 22 Street Bob. Just ordered it, got it from Get Lowered Cycles. Like to use that site a lot. They haven't let me down yet. Delivery is real quick. Everything's pretty reasonable. But I'm super excited to get this on the Street Bob, riding without a windshield, without any sort of back support when you're going 5 over, let's say. Can be a little taxing. So it's one of the first things that I ordered, and I'm excited to show it to you guys. I do have the LePera Outcast 2 up on my Road King. I did a review and comparison on that with the stock seat and I believe the hammock seat, if I'm not mistaken. Go back and watch that if you're interested in those seats for the touring models. I do have this Adam step up for the Road King. I also had it for my Dyna that I traded in. This was one of the seats that I wanted to try to compare to the step up seat. I probably think the step up seat's a little more popular in the community, but after getting the Outcast for the Road King, I was really impressed by the quality and by how comfortable it was right out the box. So let's put it on real quick, and then I'll show you the difference in body position for what I look like with the stock seat and with this seat. Let's get it. Okay guys, got the bike outside with the stock seat on so you can see. No back support. Unfortunately, I picked the day to film this when my neighbor's house is getting pressure cleaned, so if it's too loud, I apologize, but I just want to show you my body position on here and how my feet sit. So here I am, flat foot, which is good. I don't know if you guys can see this, and my ass is so big, but there's nothing here. It doesn't even get up to my belt line, so this is kind of non-existent, and yeah, if I get in the pocket, I'm right here. Looks like my knees are, I don't know, I'd say right about here. Maybe right below, right where those stripes start, right? Let's put the other seat on and see what the difference is. All right, we've got the LePera seat on. Let's see what it looks like. I can tell you right off the bat, I am further back, which is good. Knee height, yeah, I would say it's probably about the same, but instead of being here, my knees are a little more relaxed. They're not at that tight 90 that they are. Seat is definitely more comfortable. Obviously, it takes a while to break these seats in, but the one thing I can say about the LePera seats, between my Outcast and now this one, it is definitely softer out the box than the Saddlemans are. I'm sure this is going to be nice in time. Good back support here. Feels good. I like it a lot better. So what I'm going to do now is put some miles on it, break it in a little bit. I got to adjust these saddlebags for this seat now. I can make sure they're nice and level. I'm kind of weird like that. But I'm going to take it out for a little bit, put a couple 100 miles on it, and I'll come back and I'll give you guys my thoughts of how it stacks up against the stock seat and the Saddleman Step Up, its big competitor. Just to show you guys the difference. This is what we're looking at. So while this is comfortable to sit on, the back support does not compare to this at all. I don't even have to take it out to tell you guys that. All right, guys. Well, that was just a real quick video. Just wanted to put it on for you guys. Super excited about it. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Give us a like, subscribe, and I'll get back with the next one.